Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to the Kirban Open House. This is in Ben Sutherland, PA. It's kind of a wet, foggy morning, as you can see. And we'll see what comes out of it. The problem with wet mornings is that some people feel their car will get damaged by the rain. So, yeah. It kind of limits the fun, I guess. So we'll see how many people show up. I got a bunch of stuff to get rid of. And yeah, just some general shenanigans for today. Anyways, I arrived. The biggest Buick is missing, which is Damian, and it's the one that I'm gonna go save right now because his belt popped off. So here we go again. Anyways, we are cruising to Kirbans as we speak. And I have a massive lineup of Buicks behind me. This is awesome. Hey, we lost half the pack back there though.
Still?
Yeah.
Great Nationals, why are they so slow?
I have no idea. Down again. Well, we turned the wipers on so we can actually focus on the action rather than anything else. I want to park next to the dumpster, people. Let's go. Chop chop. And by the dumpster, I mean Damian. I can't get it to work. Damian does not look impressed. And there's the dumpster. Anyways, the first thing as soon as I turn it on.
I didn't know you were recording.
Yeah, right? Anyways, it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can hear or see the rain, but it's starting to rain. Brian from G-Body Parts is here. It's actually kind of not as many people as last year, but
45 minutes, it'll clear up.
yeah. Oh, hopefully they show up. Anyways, here with Damian.
And he went
selling stuff.
He says if he was in the stock,
sold anything.
If he'd have been in the
Oh wait, I sold an emblem. $5. I'm up $5 so far.
So anyways, we're here arguing with Paulie over here about car weight.
This is coming from the guy that didn't want to save any weight on his car. Now
Hey,
all of a sudden,
I'm not gonna give up my AC. I'm telling you right now, I'm not
going
gonna give up my AC.
Now all of a sudden, I gotta save weight. Gotta save weight.
It's not the cheapest
Yeah.
to lose weight, but sometimes you got to do what you got to
I
do.
put the aluminum drums on it, and they were quite a saving.
Oh yeah, they are. They definitely are.
I mean, I haven't switched to the disc in the back yet, but that'll save it even more.
Murph will tell you, we changed his from drum to disc, big change.
Oh yeah.
At least it stopped raining.
Still
The
one of
evil
power window thingies that he's got,
still
but
there.
I'm afraid the damn thing would just start moving on into the
Oh,
Did you just
He
record?
built,
the evil eye is still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
that's when at night they tell you gotta have a light on when you go down the track.
I know. That's what it
Oh God.
is. Yep.
Anyways, I'm here with Damian, stuffing our faces with fruit pretzels from Kirban's. Yeah.
While trying to sell stuff that's not selling. If you see anything, I'll make you a sweet deal.
He'll even take it off his car to sell it to you.
I did. Trying to figure out what else I can take off while I'm sitting here. I took the cruise control off while I'm sitting.
Kirban's over here doing his little raffle thing. Damian's over here with no luck.
Oh, I've got luck. It's just bad luck. I got plenty of bad luck.
All right, 7781, 7781, 7781.
Right here.
Woo! You get a shirt.
Go, Stefan!
You get a
Woo!
shirt. You get a shirt. Is that a 2X?
All right, this is
You go! Run!
Hey, it's like when you leave late at the light, you lose.
Run!
Right, man. He's out there checking if he's leaking oil. Don't worry, it's leaking.
Or it's out.
Yeah, DEP's coming, don't worry.
Oh God.
That means your buddy gets it.
Don't worry, the whole place is waiting on you. The whole,
Sorry.
I don't think you are, Bob.
I am a little bit.
That's a good friend right there.
It's a good dude, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why he gets
He's
it
the one
now.
that talked me into this V6 garbage. I mean, Grand National. Money
It
pit.
is a money pit. Oh my god. Back here.
So this is hilarious. I won a poster with a 6227, right?
I don't know. Like I remember your numbers. I barely remember my numbers.
four more guys. 7852. Then we're going to do the no reserve auction. We'll start with the jack first, right?
We're back to the wrong side of the box.
Yeah, right?
7852.
Don't fall on the floor and start over.
7413. This guy's a professional photographer. Look at this guy's
Time for this guy to win again, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm waiting for.
In a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Did we just remote start?
You know, I did that in Vietnam when you had to film and had to take a whole bunch of pictures and hope one of them turned down. You can only develop black and white. They wanted me to use that big military camera, graphite or whatever. I did German camera. The roll.
We're gonna play 4 minutes song now.
Oh, talk into the mic. Okay. 76. 7276. We're almost done.
Woo! Damian! Woo!
There you go. This is the last one. Then we're going to do the no reserve auction.
Got a T-type.
I did.
Oh, you got a turbo T?
8078. 8078.
Damian just bought this trunk lid for $100. Oh, this guy. Hey, where am I gonna put my toolbox now?
Well, we gotta figure out how to get the other one off now.
Check the dumpster in 15 minutes, there'll be one in there.
I'm selling mine right now.
Anybody got a 14 millimeter socket?
Oh, I got a toolbox in the back.
Anybody need a used trunk box that's not rusted? Seriously.
Need paint.
Oh man.
What are you doing?
Taking my trunk lid off, I sold it.
Oh my god.
Alright, so now we just need to get
too.
the wing should drop off.
Floor charge on it, right?
Oh, Damian.
Board charge too. Sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, now we just need to
Let's look get him messing this up.
the rest of this off.
Oh, God. This is the moment I want to catch. Right when he bends it.
Thanks, Amelia. You're the best.
Get ready to hit the edit button.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh no, we're just gonna shut it right off.
Oh, dude.
They make it look so easy on TV though.
Oh, everything's
Just
easy
pop
on
it right
TV.
off.
Yeah, right?
Cut the commercial.
Yeah. Gonna work from our sponsors.
Right.
DuPont Paint.
6 months later. Woo! There you go.
I was gonna say for the aggravation.
I didn't hear a curse word yet.
Hey,
Skills.
watch it bend right there. God.
Let me zoom in on this just in case.
Oh.
Oh, he's getting it.
Little by little.
Come on, Damian. I broke it loose for you. You should be able to get this quick.
Broke it loose.
This is PA, Damian. Not Jersey. I don't know what they say in PA.
Should have time lapse this.
Yeah.
Yeah, at this point, it's going to be like a fast
Put
forward.
it in editing.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, my God.
Puts it in his trunk, puts a port on top of it, bends it in
Is there a way
half.
to get that label off, seriously? Or the emblem off?
Are you?
I'd like to. I don't have another one. Plus,
Do you have an emblem?
Plus, I already painted it.
Hold on. How about this? If he has an emblem, just mail him the emblem.
I have one.
Oh.
Let's see if it'll just pop off.
How does it feel to be the center of the YouTube universe, Damian?
Vlog in a vlog.
Oh, God.
Dude, $40. At the end of the day, $40.
That's not bad, dude.
And it's painted and ready to go.
Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Strip the whole car.
Hit the like button.